He's just, this random man is just crawling out of the drain here at Northeast. I don't know what's going on, but
just made it to classes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's a secret ninja turtle.
I just made it to the Turtle Club for 420 and some pizza, you know.
Yeah.
Can you get it, dude? There's no way.
Come on down here and help.
No, okay, so don't go down there. Don't go. Don't go.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my god. You're doing this so casual.
Turtles! Let me give me a boost.
Cason's high too, isn't it?
Alright, Brady. Down here. You love brother.
Brady, you're not getting down there.
Casey and Aaron are just chilling in the.
Are you taking a picture?
I'm videoing this whole thing.
Incredibly heavy. Lift.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I feel like a Venezuelan.
Yeah, this is just a typical day here at Northeast. Come. You've got stuff in.
What if also you just went down some gravel?
Oh my god.
Wow.
Let's be more careful. Alright.
Okay, let's see if this
Yeah,
works.
this side goes. It just flips right over like a.
Does it?
Are you sure? Don't drop it again, please.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Brighton, hold the top.
Hold on, my fingers are right there.
Yeah.
Easy. Oh my god.
Is it
Good enough.